There are 3 great reasons to live in this home. Number 1, its clever layout. 2 living areas connecting to the manicured terrace, lawn and garden. The primary bedroom with ensuite upstairs for privacy and views. Number 2, its immaculate presentation. Restful tones throughout, premium quality furnishings. This is a well-maintained and cared for home. And number 3, its location. It's family-friendly location with schools, parks, the beach and the village at your fingertips. Feeling intrigued? Come and take a look. Hataitai has kindies, schools, pubs, a chemist, every takeaway option you can think of, and award-winning restaurants and cafes. And forget reading the bus timetable. The number 2 is so regular to town, you just won't need it. 22 Rata Road is a very special, well-loved home that you will adore. I look forward to seeing you at our open homes.